All hypnosis is self-hypnosis. So even if you go see a hypnotist, they're going to teach you self-hypnosis. If you're just starting out and you're not quite sure how to do it or how to manage it or how to focus on this or how to focus on that, I would use an audio. And the great thing about it is if you don't want that program or you don't want that thing in your head, you won't take it. Pretty easy, right? As long as you go into hypnosis, you follow the person and you go into hypnosis, then, the best thing that you can do for yourself to protect yourself, if anybody's nervous about it or scared, is to go into hypnosis. Why? Because it's your subconscious mind that's in control. And your subconscious mind is a part of mind that takes care of you. It's a part of you that creates your future. It's a part of you that remembers everything. And its job is procreation and survival. So it's going to take care of you. So the best, safest place for you to be when you're doing hypnosis is be in hypnosis. So I would try an audio first, and it will teach you how to do it by talking to you. And all you have to do is lay there and listen. And if you're listening, it's your subconscious mind that's paying attention, right? So consciously, when you're wide awake and we're just having a chat, that's your conscious mind that's logical reasoning you. You're focused on what I'm saying, we're having a talk, right? But in hypnosis, it's your subconscious mind. So all your attention is turned inward. And you have such a wonderful, interesting, colorful inner life. And one of the ways you access it is by going into the part of mind that all of that stuff lives.